Hello once again, people. It's Dark96 here with another episode of Let's Play Resident Evil 4.
Leon, I have some bad news.
I'd rather not hear it.
Too bad!
Well, I'm afraid I have to tell you anyway. We've lost contact with the chopper. Someone must have shot it down, though we can't determine who.
Great.
We're prepping another chopper for you. Meanwhile, I want you to head towards the extraction point.
Got it.
Will do.
What are we gonna do, Leon?
We're
I
sandwiched!
say it, but we're sandwiched all right. Quick! In that cabin! Leon! Small world, eh?
Hello there, Paul, young man.
I see that the president's equipped his daughter with ballistics, too.
How rude! And I don't believe there's any relevance with my figure and my standing. Who are you?
Oh, excuse me, Your Highness. Perhaps the young lady might want to introduce herself first before asking someone his name.
Her name's Ashley Graham, the president's daughter.
Is she... well, you know. Don't worry. She's cool. Never mind. There's supposed to be some kind of obvious symptom before you turn into one of them anyway.
Look,
Ashley, upstairs. Okay, it's game time.
Alrighty, not sure if I'll be able to lift this entirely, but, whatever. Try. Why don't you help me out with, pushing these into the windows, Lewis? Alright, so let's until then, do this. While doing that, I should mix these up. Alright. That, you, and, how do we get to this? Okay, which one's gonna go first? Uh-oh. Oh, wait, did this one go down too? Okay, no, it didn't. Oh. Alright, sit up, Lewis. Yeah, that one's taking a while. Oh, what? They came in? No, reload! What that did? Alright, hit you. Okay, alright, got it. Should reload. No, you're not. Ah, you took my friggin' kill, Lewis. No, you don't.
Use this. Leon, upstairs.
Hold on. Hold it, I didn't see that. Knock your ass down. Hold it, boss. Flash grenade, definitely. You kill. I should probably reload. Oh my god, no. No, don't slash me. Don't slash me. Don't try to go. Ah, you suck. Alright. Oh my god, reload. Oh no, somebody's gonna... Hold on, wait a minute. Well, I know that dude is like that, but I mean, I could get all of this. Scooty beans! That probably knock your ass down. I should probably do something else. Alrighty. Let's see how this works. Oh, I didn't see you there! Okay, cool, we're good. Take you, shoot you. Almost! It took you so long to hit me. We're dead. His head exploded. Huh. Let's rush. Yeah. Ah, you dillhole. Okay, better get some health. Of course, but it sure has to end sometime. Someday. Oh, you dillhole. Oh, shit. Okay, you're dead. You're dead too. I'm set. Oh, yay! We win! We win!
Looks like they're backing off.
So, what do we do now?
The bridge I crossed to get here's out. So I guess we have no choice but to keep moving.
I forgot something. You guys go on ahead.
Alright, Lewis.
Lewis.
Is this gonna be end of chapter? Yes, it is end of chapter! And once again, I think I'll probably end it right here. So, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. Tune in for the next one. And until then, this is Dorkin86 signing off.